Domingos Antonio de Sequeira was born on March 10, 1768 in Lisbon, died March 8, 1837 in Rome. He was a famous Portuguese painter at the royal court of King John VI of Portugal. He studied art first at the Academy of Lisbon, before moving to Rome, where he was Antonio Cavallucci's pupil. Among his best-known pictures are the Miracle of Ourique, Prince John reviewing the troops at Azumbuja, and the Adoration of the Magi. Numerous paintings by Sequeira are held at the Mafra National Palace, the Ajuda National Palace, and in the principal palaces and churches of Lisbon. The National Museum of Ancient Art in Lisbon has one of the best collections of his paintings.